be in the dark again. Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today we're here in the shop with this nice Klein Tools focused flashlight. It's also got a nice little laser pointer to it. It's got some nice features. First of all, it's metal, it's heavy, and it's supposed to take a 10-foot drop without breaking. It's got a pocket clip here, which if you unscrew this cap, you can take that off if you prefer not to have that getting hung on everything. It's got a magnet. That way you can keep it on the side of your toolbox, or you can put it against the metal surface that you need it to. And then here we have the flashlight. Actually, that is the laser pointer. The flashlight's there, so you have a high beam and a low beam and off. And here you also can twist this, and you can focus it for a tight beam or a wider beam. And turn it off, and then you have your laser pointer, which you can also work with the flashlight or by itself. So here, the laser pointer, you can see nice and bright. And again, don't point this in anybody's eyes. It also comes with this USB cord. It's got a normal USB jack on that side, and that plugs right in here, and that way you can charge it anywhere you are. And when you turn on the flashlight, you get a nice little green light here, so there is an indicator that tells you when the battery is about to go low. So when you need a little bit of light on the subject, the Klein Tools Focus Flashlight with the laser pointer is a perfect tool for you.